Hi guys, this is Kashif Shehzad Khan. Welcome to Galaxy Marble Floor Polishing YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to fill marble joint lines, cracks and pinholes. We are filling these pinhole. See how it's working. The things we need, wait, this is sponge pad. Things we need: sponge pad and marble filling grout, water. We are filling these joints, grout lines. See how it's filling. You can see the joint line is filled. Properly. This is a pinhole. The grout line is not filled properly, and we are filling with marble grout. This is the way we fill the marble grout lines, pinholes and cracks. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so when I upload this kind of new videos you can get the notifications.